Hello guys, it's me again, Fidel. So I'm just gonna show you. We had a snowstorm earlier and it was really snowing so heavily. I asked my husband to show you guys earlier while I was napping. So today I just had my 38-week prenatal checkup, and so I was tired after that, so I just went to bed a little bit and I had him took a little bit of video.
Hey guys, this is Predel's husband. She wanted me to go outside and take a picture of the snowstorm that we just had and are still having right now. It's about -3. They said it's going to be maybe down to -10 tonight, but we got like 20 centimeters of snow and it's still snowing right now. I'm out in the garage. Take a look at this. That's how much snow has accumulated just in front of my man door going into the garage. I'd say that's probably, I don't know, it's probably about a foot of snow, and that's the rest of it. My driveway is basically just under about a foot of snow. But I wanted to come out and check. At the end of my driveway, the plow went by and they kind of like plowed us in. There's a big lip here. Holy shit. Now that's pretty deep. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get the plow and plow this. There'll be no way I'll be getting out. That's pretty crazy, the amount of snow that we got in just like overnight.
So this is how it looks right now. The snow stops, but my goodness, we got a lot of snow, guys. I don't think how many centimeters, but we are really crowded with snow right now. I super like snow, but I hate ice. And then here's our driveway. So my husband did a little bit of shoveling, and then his parents came over earlier to plow. So our driveway is a little bit clear right now, but look at our neighbors. Oh my god, we are covered with snow, guys. Super. Also here in balcony, it's deep. So let's come here. So deep. That's how deep it is. It looks like white Christmas, right? Look at those snow. Those are snow. And this is our backyard. Oh my god, it's kinda icy here. Look at our balcony. Aha. It's really deep. It's deep there. That's how thick the snow will be in our backyard.